Yeah, well done, my people. Well done, well done. How you all doing? Good afternoon, wherever you are from. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good evening. Depends on where you're watching me from. Yeah, I'm just here, you know, to just trade. Let's see our trade for today. Let us see our trade for today. The trade is trading. Yeah, it's trading. It's trading. The trade is trading. This is pounds JPY. Pounds JPY. Pounds JPY. We're sitting at 89. I just entered a trade just not quite long. After checking my trade, my chart. See, you can see the chart. You know that this is going for a buy and it's going to continue buy until it goes up. You can just see how this one is just a down, from down is going buy. Look at this, my two. Look at this, my two moving average. You know this the thing is about joining into two, but then I know it's already for buy and I've already entered for a buy. So let's look at for my euro JPY. Let's see what is happening in euro JPY. In case you're watching, you can check your charts and also trade. It's a simple thing, it's not difficult. When you open your chart, you see the trend. Where is the trade, the candlestick going? This green and red thing is called candlestick. So if it's going up, you know that this trade is going to go up. If it's going down, that's all. I don't think it's much, but there are more analysis in which with time I'm going to show you how to analyze your chart and then enter your trade. I've done it before. I have a video of my channel. They're there before. Euro JPY, you see, the thing was going up and down. So I know for euro JPY for now is at minus $36, but definitely you see the way chart is going is already going up and we enter for a buy. And you're seeing, so before time, when you give it a time, it's gonna change to positive. You're gonna start getting profits. Then for this AUD USD, let's see the chart. Let's see what is happening. This is a buy. You can see the moving average. The red has already crossed the blue line, so definitely it's just for a sell. You know that if you do not enter in this place any moment from now, you can even enter for a sell. This is a sell signal. Enter for a sell, in which here I'm sitting at $107 for AUD USD. You can see it here. You can see it. You see, I'm sitting at 106. Then the chart is for a buy and it's still going down. Look at it. This moving average just crossed. For those of you that want to use a moving average strategy, this is it. You just use this strategy as soon as, maybe if you don't know how to trade, at least just using a moving average. If you want me to teach you, let me see your comments, maybe the settings for this moving average. I don't think you can see it anywhere. It's from my mentor to myself. I don't think you can see these settings for this moving average anyway, because most of the indicators, one thing I notice about indicators is that anybody that is using indicator, as soon as the indicator is giving you a sign, the market, when you check it, the market has already gone far. Maybe the chart, if it's showing a sell now, maybe the sell has started like 30 minutes ago. That's when an indicator is telling you to sell. You can see the disadvantage of indicator, but my boss was be able to figure out this particular indicator, this two moving average. They are just two moving average, and immediately you see it cross, you just relax. You can just be checking. As soon as you see the red crosses the blue going down, you know that this is bearish. It's for a bearish market. You now go and look for your sell and go in for sell. But as soon as it cross up, the red crosses the blue upwards, you know that this is a bearish, this is a bullish, sorry, this is a bullish, trend is going up and you're going for a buy. So I hope you get this explanation of mine, but with time I will give you more explanation. I will show you more strategies. This is one of the strategies that I will show you that is one of the easiest that you can cash out big time with this strategy, you know. So what is happening? Let me see. Card JPY. Let's see the chart. Card JPY. I'm not gonna stay long. This is my card JPY. It's for a sell, you can see, and this moving average is about to cross. You see, it has. In fact, some of them, as soon as you see this cuff, this red has cuff. You see, I hope you're seeing it as I'm pointing it. My pointer will show it. As soon as it cuff, you know that it's going up. You see here, see the way it's cuff here. You know that it was coming down. And when it crosses me, I get the confirmation when it's crossed immediately. You see where I touch, that is where the red crosses the blue downward. I know that this is for a sell signal, but you see here it's gonna cross. It's about crossing each other, so this is just for a buy signal. And excuse me, card JPY, we're sitting at $77. That's good, and our total here is like 410. you know Yesterday I was able to trade to sit at, I think, 2000. From 1004 I was able to grow this account to 2000, for 1000 for 2000. So I think I made like 1000 yesterday. So now, and today we are trading today's one, and we can see 2004 where we move it to 2008 something. You can all see the balance, the equity. You see the balance, and we see what we made today, 400, and now it's a 409 and 414. So it depends. So the trading is trading, it's going fine. Let's allow the market do its thing. It's still going up. For cat JPY, it's an uptrend. You can see, and looking at this chart, I know that this chart is gonna form a double shoulder, double shoulder, head and shoulder. So definitely later, after going up, it's gonna give a reversal. According to this my chart, at least I can read some chart to an extent. I know that all this market later is going, but for now we are going for a buy. It's gonna take a little bit time. We are seeing double top. Okay, this is double top. Yeah, it's gonna take a little bit time. Then we're gonna see a proper reversal. So for now, I think that's a long explanation, you won't understand, but with time I'm going to show you patterns. I'm going to teach you patterns, the chart patterns. How, when you see a pattern like this, double top, head and shoulder, all those things, WM, I'm going to show you. As soon as you see maybe a W, you know that W is reversal sign, is for for a buy, that is a bullish. If you see M, M is bearish. You're ready to start. um the M is you're ready to buy, to start selling. W is you're ready to buy. I will teach you all those strategies, all those patterns. At least if you just hold one thing that is working for you and you're cashing out, you're good to go. As soon as you just get one. But if you know all of them, at least you use all of them for confirmation that, oh, I know this trade is going to turn out well for me. You'll not lose your money. Do you understand? So but as time goes on, I will, maybe one day I'll pick, but you still tell me on the comment section what you want to know. Using the pattern, I'm going to teach you different chart pattern. We have candle patterns, we have chart patterns. I can teach you chart patterns, just like those double top that I told you about, the WM, head and shoulder. I'm going to show you everything one each day. I'm going to talk about the patterns to you people. So as you can see, we're sitting at $450 right now for this our trade for today. Today being 3rd of January 2024. It's going good. The chart is going on well. The trading is doing well. The market is doing its thing. So I thank you, my lovely people. Please, I would like you to support your baby girl. Subscribe, share, like. Click that like button. Thank you, thank you very much for always having your time to view my analysis. Thank you. And together we're going to reach to the top by God's grace. As time goes on, we keep on learning. We're going to get to the top together. Thank you, and bye for now. Till I come yet another time with another video. Thank you, and bye for now. Bye.